Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. I'm Yusuf. I welcome you all in 5 Minutes Information channel, and this is episode number 122, Internet of Things Part 2. Viewer guidance, you can get the notes of this video lecture mentioned on the link of this video description. In this video, I will talk about the one point. What are the applications of Internet of Things in our daily lives? Internet of Things applications are applied in our daily life in two important segments. Number one, consumer application. Number two, organizational application. In consumer application, Internet of Things are applied. Number one, home automation. Number two, elderly care. And number three, transportation. At organizational level, Internet of Things are applied. Number one, medical and health sciences. Number two, manufacturing. Number three, agriculture and gardening. Number four, urban infrastructure. Number fifth, energy management. Number six, environmental monitoring. And number seven, military and warfare applications. I will describe each application here one by one. Number one, home automation. Internet of Things devices are part of large concept of home automation, which include lighting, heating, air conditioning, media security, media and security system, and camera surveillance. Point number two, elderly care. One key applications of Internet of Things are smart houses, which provide assistance to elderly individual and old men and women, and those who are with the disabilities. These home systems are used to assistive technologies to accommodate the specific disabilities. Point number three, transportation. Internet of Things can assist in the integration of communication control and information processing across the various transportation system. It is extended to all aspects of transportation of the vehicles, the infrastructure, drivers, or passenger, and as well as through the GPS system to guide which location you have to reach and how much time and what is the status of the different traffic in our different locations. Part number two, organizational application of Internets of Things. Number one, medical and healthcare. The Internet of Things is also application of medical and health related purpose, collection of data and analysis for research and monitoring. The Internet of Things has been referred as smart healthcare as the technology and gazetted and healthcare system. Number two, manufacturing. IoT, the Internet of Things, also connect the various manufacturing devices equipped with the sensing and identification and processing and communication networking capabilities. It is also used for the large types of production and manufacturing, agriculture, farming, and gardening. There are numerous Internet of Things applications in farming, such as collection of data, temperature, rainfall, humidity, wind speed, and past infestation and soil content. This data is being used for automate farming techniques and take informed decision to improve the quality and quantitative examination of crops and farming and minimize the risk factor of the cultivated crops and farming products. Point number four, urban infrastructure, monitoring and controlling operation of sustainable urban and rural infrastructure like bridge, railway tracks, or as well as the railway track and any urban infrastructure like building, school, universities, and to inform their life to the respective organization. Number fifth, energy management. The concept of green environment and as per the sustainable development goal, a significant number of energy consuming devices, example lamp, household appliances, motor pumps, already integrated with the internet connectivity, which number 6, environmental monitoring. Environmental application of internet of things use sensor to assist the environmental protection by monitoring air quality of water, atmospheric or soil condition, and can even include the areas like monitoring the movement of wildlife and their inhabitant. Point number 7, military and warfare. In military or warfare, Internet of Things are used for the purpose of reconnaissance, surveillance, and other combat-related objectives, like drones are used instead of human being, which influence the future purpose perspective of warfare and urban environment to use sensor and camera surveillance for the targeted operation and reduce the collateral damage of warfare. Here I conclude the episode number 122. In this episode, I discuss one main point about the Internet of Things. What are the application of Internet of Things? I hope you will enjoy this video. Thanks for watching till the end. Stay connected with 5 Minutes Information channel. I will back soon with another informative episode. Thanks for watching till the end.